Hello students, welcome to computer class. Today we are going to learn how to write C program. In the last class we have learned some of the basic knowledge about writing C language. Today let us try by solving some of the example questions. Before that we have to install C program in our system. How to install C program? Let us see. First step is click on application. In that select programming. After that you have to select code block IDE. Code block IDE, then close. It is going to appear in the desktop. Now how to start? How to start or in order to write the program, what are the steps to be followed? So first of all you have to click on code block IDE. Click on code block IDE. In that you have to select new project. New you can create new project will be there. So upon that you have to click. Then in the left side you can see files option. In that you have to select C source and move forward and select go. The right side it will be there. So click upon go, then again click on next option, again select C. You will get two options there, C and C++. You have to select C, then again click on next. In this you will get a rectangular box and a small box along with the dots. Here file name with the full path. File name with the full path. What you have to do? If you click this dots, you will get option for writing a file name in order to save your file. So you have to select any folder or you can create a new folder. Let us create a folder. Select a new folder. You can give the folder name as 10th standard folder name. Then open that and you have to write a file name. File name we can write any name. You can write your name or any name. I will write first, and that file name should be given the file name with the extension .c. C files, C programming files should be saved with the extension .c. Then click on finish. This is the first steps to open C program. The steps in order before writing C program, you have to do open your space or files to write. Okay, you will get empty space for writing program. So what is our file name? We have given here first .c and in this space provided you have to start writing the program, and each statement is a program statement. It is going to numbered. So first line you have to write what comment entry. We'll write on statement. Okay, for that you write comment entry as program to write statement. Hashtag symbol and slash. This is called comment entry. It is useful only for the programmer and it won't affect from for program. Okay, this is in order to identify only. Then second step. Now what we want to write? We want to write a statement as let it be our question. For this question we will write the program. Question will be write C program. C program to display the message as welcome to computer class. To all students of 10th standard. This is the statement you want to display by writing C program, and this statement should be divided into two, split into two lines. So let us see how we can write. See, every this C program should start with the hash symbol, hash space, then include stdio dot h, close that with greater symbol. Then third step is int main open bracket close bracket. Fourth line you have to start with the flower bracket, and fifth line what you have to write, you start with the print f open bracket double quotes backward slash n. We have to write welcome to computer class. Then close this bracket, and you have to put a semicolon. Second line, next line you should write again one more sentence. What is that? Print f double quotes slash n to all students of 10th standard. And this should be double quotes should be closed here also, then bracket, then semicolon. Then seventh line close flower bracket. So in order to display the message, you have to write the program in this manner. After finishing this writing, what is the next step? You have to go that menu bar, and in that you have to select build, and in that select build and run option is there. So you have to select that. You will get a black colored screen, and output will be displayed in that. Output will be welcome to computer class to all the students of 10th standard. it is going to display in a 2 lines. Understood? So, why we write printf? Printf is to get the output. Whatever you wrote within double quotes, you will get the output. And slash n is used for splitting the lines. It advances the separation of the lines. If you write printf means it comes to no slash n, it is in order to split the lines, come to second line or next line, like that. Understood? This is the program, a simple program in order to getting the statement form of answers. Okay, I hope you understood. Now, we will do one more example, we will come to know. Okay, now I will write one more question. See, question number 2. Our question is write a C program to get the sum and product of any two numbers you have entered. Okay, how to start? So, you know, again you have to go to file and you have to give the file name. Same procedure what I wrote in here, and you will give the file name as second.c. So, file name will give as second.c. Now, we will as I told before, you will get a space for writing here. So, first step is to write the comment entry. What is that? To get the answers or to do the calculations. We can write anything to get the answer calculations. That we can write any statement. It is only for programmer's purpose, in order to know. Then actual program starts from hash, from here, hash include stdio.h, third is int main. Then fourth line you have to start with the open flower bracket. Next what you have to write? We have to declare any variable, two numbers. So, we can write int a comma b, two variables. We can give any names among alphabets, a, b, x, y, p, q, anything. Now, sixth we have to write printf open bracket double quotes slash n, enter first number double quote close bracket semicolon. Okay, then one more you have to write scanf double quote close start slash n. Oh sorry, before that you have to write scanf. You have to use percentage symbol d double quote close comma, then and a. All these symbols are there in the keyboard. Okay, then Again we have to declare one more variable. So I have to write printf double quote backward slash n, enter second number, double quotes, close bracket, semicolon. 9th line you have to write scanf double quote start percentage symbol D, immediately should write closed quotes after the quotes comma and B, semicolon. Then we have to write printf, what you want, sum, no? So printf open bracket, you have to write slash backward slash n, sum of percentage symbol D and percentage symbol D. Percentage symbol D and percentage symbol D is percentage symbol then here you should write variable a comma b, then comma a plus b, close that and semicolon. This is for getting the sum. We in our question we want to get total also, product also. We have to get the answer of multiplication. So again we should write printf double quotes start product of percentage symbol D and percentage symbol D is percentage D, that you have to close quotes, then comma a comma b, then comma a into symbol and b, what it means, a into b, semicolon. Then second 12th line you have to write return 0 or return 0, and 13th line close flower bracket. So this is the program in order to get the total of any two numbers or product of any two numbers. Now we have finished writing the program. After finish writing the program, step is to go to menu bar and we have to go to select build option. In that you will get build and run. So go to menu bar and select build. In that select build and run. The shortcut is there, press F5 key and you will get the output in the C program screen, that will be in black color with the yellow fonts. So think that it is a screen, you will get a output as so this is the screen and how you will get output or answer. What we wrote here in between printf, enter first number, enter first number. We can give in some number, for example I give 50 and second, enter second number, I can give as 10. First we asked the sum of A and B. So, you will get a sum of what we wrote here 50 and 10 is 60. Okay, we give simple these numbers. If you give big numbers also, you will get the answer. Now, product of second line we wrote product of no. So, what it will give multiplication, it will do multiplication and product of 50 and 10 is 500. Any number you can enter and any number of times you can run that and you can check the answers with the different numbers. Okay. This is very interesting. Okay. I hope you will try to do this by practicing. Understood, children? Okay. Next class we will do more questions and try to solve them. Thank you, children.